All right. Well, looks like we are live. So welcome to our software walkthrough. We're just going to go literally piece by piece here on individual things that you want to do to make sure your account is set up. So the first thing we are going to talk to you guys about is setting up your domain. So you should get very familiar with all of the settings. That's one of the first things that you want to make sure that you do. So go through when you click settings and set up any of your business information, if you've got a name here that you want to add, a business logo, all of that. If you don't have anything, don't worry about setting it up. But this is going to be an area that you just want to go through and pay attention to so that you know what certain things are. Now, if you don't know what something is, do not worry about it. I don't want you guys feeling like you have to submit 1,000 tickets because you don't know what call and voicemail settings are. When it's time for you to know what that is, you will know what it is. So do not worry about it right now. So let's continue on. This video is specifically about domains, and I want to show you guys how simple it is to set up your domain. You click on the domains tab. You're going to hit add new domain. And you can see here, there are two ways that you can do this. You can do it with what's called an A record, or you can do it with something called a CNAME record. Either of those, I will show you exactly how to set up right now. So I always suggest, and there'll be a link below where you guys can go check this out, but I always suggest using GoDaddy just because it's one of the simpler ones. Is it the most affordable? No. It's going to be roughly the same price as most domains in your first year. But if you're using Namecheap, if you're using any of those, go right ahead. You can see here they have a pretty good deal for a penny for your first year that you can get domains. But let's say you go ahead and pick a domain name. I would always suggest using your own name or some combination of that. I'm just going to give you a couple of ideas based on the ones that I myself have in this account. So I buy all kinds of different domains. I have InstaShops because I thought it was a really good one. I have Traveling To because this is going to be my wife and I's page. Start, Launch, Scale, Live was something else I did. I bought Travis.club just to make an easy, memorable domain. So you could say to people, hey, go to travis.club.com, travis.club to get access. Algorithm to Inbox, Algo to Inbox. We've got Wealthery Live. We've got anemailadaday.com. I've got, pharmabody.com, Staple Home. These are all things that I've just had that if it's a name that resonates with you, go with it. You can see I own simpleprofit.com. I own covertaffiliatemethod.com. I own wealthery.com, monetizemybio.com. This is one that I would definitely suggest for a lot of you is something similar to this. So I have Travis Class. Easy, 2 words. You get the point of it whenever you see it. Easy to remember. TravisClass.com. TravisClass.com. So that could be a really good one. Something that, kind of rhymes, kind of rolls off the tongue pretty easily. TravisClass.com. So let's say I wanted to move TravisClass.com, which I don't even know if I can on this one, but yes, I can. Okay. So you can see when I go in, I click DNS settings, you can see right away it brings me to this list, and it has, these are A records, name server records, CNAME records, text records. So I can edit and add new, whatever I want. So if I want this domain to point to to allow me to run funnels inside of our software, I have to make either an A record right here that points to these variables or a CNAME that points to this. So what I'm going to do is I'll show you. I would set it up, www.travisclass.com. So now I'll just copy this. I need an A record pointing to that, right? So I go in here. I've already got these two, but I can add a new one. A record. We want at and at that value. And that's it. I hit save and it's done. Or I could choose the other way, and either one of them is totally fine. Okay, so I can go here, CNAME, www. You don't have to put the dot really. Value there. If I hit save right there, it's going to go there. Now, right now, I have Travis Class pointed to another platform, so I'm not going to hit save on this one. But that's all I would have to do is if I hit save right now and then I hit add, it'll let me authenticate, which I already did for simplestprofit.com. So you can see here, I'll go back. And if I look up simplestprofit.com, go to the DNS, you'll see I actually have an A record already pointing to our software. So you can see right here, this one, 3468234.4. That is the A record, the only one that I have. That is the A record that sends people to my domain. So that attaches it here. That's all you got to do in this step, guys. Don't overcomplicate it. Don't make it too crazy. And then when you add your domain, it's going to ask you, where do you want your default page? Just select your landing page that should be in here. You don't have to save anything else. Just select the landing page on the default page, and you are good to go. See you guys in the next one.